Are you an athlete wondering if you can replace your expensive supplements with something natural? Stick around, because today we're diving into the power of Moringa. And before we start, if you're ready to try a premium Moringa supplement yourself, check out Moringa Magic supplement link in the description below. Moringa, often called the miracle tree, is loaded with nutrients that athletes need. It's rich in plant-based protein, amino acids, antioxidants, calcium, iron, and essential vitamins. In fact, Moringa contains more iron than spinach, more vitamin C than oranges, and more potassium than bananas, all in one plant. Now, can Moringa actually replace supplements? For many athletes, yes, it can cover protein, recovery, energy, and even joint support naturally. Unlike synthetic supplements, Moringa is plant-based, easily absorbed, and free from artificial additives. Moringa helps reduce inflammation, fights oxidative stress, and supports faster recovery after workouts. That means fewer sore muscles, more energy, and better performance. But here's the key: you need high-quality Moringa to really see the benefits. That's where Moringa Magic supplement comes in. It's packed with pure Moringa leaf powder in easy-to-take capsules, making it simple to add this superfood to your routine. So, can athletes replace supplements with Moringa? Absolutely, and with Moringa Magic supplement, it's never been easier. Ready to fuel your performance naturally? Click the link in the description below to grab your bottle today.